Magandang araw mga kabigwak, shout out, good morning, it's me Pinili Vlog, and how are you today? For today's video guys, magabuno ta sa atong mais, and shout out sa lahat and have a nice day. Thanks for coming, and update lang guys, kay busy sa trabaho. Kumusta na kasi Lolo YT karon? Nagimingaw na ako, and shout out Mama Ju Vlog, Boss Dajin Channel, and Kasweet Channel, Dan Adventure, Simply Chambi, shout out Musika Dinubinta, shout out Boss Andix Vlog, shout out sa mga viewers ko dyan, sa mga silent followers, silent subscribers, shout out, good morning. Buhay farming, it's only in the Philippines, not only in the Philippines but around the world. Shout out, namaste, assalamualaikum, thank you, and God bless. Have a nice day, have a safe trip, always safe, good health, stay strong and stay positive. Laban lang sa hamon ng buhay, laban lang kahit walang kalaban. Mabuhay Philippines!